Good morning. Um, so, let's keep this video a little short today. So, my motivation today is doing things bit by bit, little bit by little bit. We're gonna get there, and just keep going at it. So sometimes you get burnt out. Like right now, I'm kind of burnt out. My whole body's sore. It's harder for me to wake up in the mornings, but listening to motivational videos and keep focused on your goals and just getting things done like bit by bit will I think will is the key to success. I haven't gotten any success yet, but my life is getting better, everything's getting better. Just staying positive and just doing little things. Anytime I have free time now, anytime I'm just sitting there and I'm just thinking, why am I sitting there? Why am I not doing something? And then I get onto something. And I bought this little notebook. I showed you guys the notebook before. I'm writing everything down that I'm thinking of. Just like stuff popping up in my head like every second. And like right now, I am still in the mindset of how I will be successful. Like I'm lost. I have no clue what's gonna get me money, what's gonna get me happiness. I just know that I have to just keep going and keep going and keep going. It's not even a month yet, and it's crazy just thinking about all the stuff I'm doing, and I'm working towards. Like this board over here, this awesome board. I can't wait. I'm just watching YouTube. Like when I do become successful, I'm gonna credit YouTube maybe 90%. Audible is another 10%. Well, and I guess maybe 1%. But YouTube right now is keeping me awake, keeping me motivated. There's a lot of motivational stuff out there. Motivation Hub is a huge one. I don't know how they come up with those things, like those videos, but you should go check that out. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested. If you guys haven't seen that yet, just waking up at 2:30 in the morning, getting to the gym at 3, and just putting that on first thing when I get there. It wakes me up and gets me going. Especially when I'm having rough days like this. It's raining outside now, I'm all wet. So it just getting things done bit by bit is my talk for today. Kevin David is another guy right now I'm kind of watching. Like all these young guys are so successful doing all these little things. 2 years ago he had nothing, and now he is a multi-millionaire. And he's teaching, so like it's awesome. Like I want to be like that. And even though he's younger than me, I always have the mindset that I have to look up someone older than me. But that's not the case. These young guys are coming up and they're motivated and they're ready to go. And like, and it's kind of crazy when you're paying attention how negative people are. Even like everyone's saying, get a mentor that will push you up above. You know how hard that is. You know how hard to get someone to show you how to succeed. Like I have people who make more money than me, who are more successful right now than me, because I pretty much have nothing. But these guys have stuff that I want, but they're so negative. They're saying, no, we can't do that, no, that's not gonna work. Like, I don't need that right now, and I don't need that in my life. Maybe like I just don't want to talk to them about anything because they're so negative, and that's most of the whole world right now. It's like negative. It's like, no, you need people like people on YouTube. Kind of I relate to. I know they're making money and they're just doing this to make money, but they have points, and it's good to see all these young people kind of going at it. I wish I was like that when I was younger, but right now I'm still not that old. I'm 37, by the way. So in a couple of years, I will be there. I will be there. Okay, have a good day, guys.
Never stop believing that you are an exception to the rules that apply to everyone else. You can beat sickness. You can dig your way out of debt. You can pass that test, win that race, get promoted, make more money, and live the life of your dreams. Whatever you want, you can have, as long as you never give up. You can't stop believing that your hard work matters. You can't for a moment stop imagining that a better future is right around the corner. If your mind quits, then your body will quit soon after. That's why you have to be careful about what you think about. You can't entertain the notion that you might be losing. You can't let negativity cripple the power of your persistence. You have to take your lumps, get pushed down, and stand boldly back up. Those aren't just words you repeat at a motivational seminar. The idea of never backing down is a lifestyle that you must continually cultivate. You have to feed the flames of your inspiration. You have to be deliberate about keeping your mind strong. You can't ever give up. Not one fiber of your being, not one neurotransmission through the grandness of your brain. You're a machine that produces success. That's how you were born. Your fuel is hard work. Your inspiration is a dream. And you can't give that up because you have a few bad days. You can't back down because life beats you up. Resiliency is your language. Determination is your weapon of choice. Focus is your plan. Behind it all is a simple strategy that no matter what happens, you are never going to give up. You're going to do whatever it takes, for as long as that takes, until you get to where you want to be.